Hello, welcome to TableLinensforLess.com. I'm here today to show you how to fold our Simply Poly 17 by 17 napkin into a Valentine's Day rose. You start by first folding the napkin almost in half, a triangle, leaving about a little less than 2 finger widths at the tip. Then, in order to get the proper rigid folds that we need for this style of napkin fold, we take a piece of paper, fold it in half, and place it right along the folded top edge. The first fold of the napkin comes down like so. This is approximately 2 finger widths wide. We then continue that same fold right on through until at the end we have about 4 finger widths left. This stays like so. Next, we flip it over and we need to start to roll it. Now the beginning of the roll, I should say, becomes the inside of the rose. So it's important that as you start, it's very small and tight, and you keep this throughout the full roll, all the way until almost the other end. As you come to the end, this tail needs to be tucked in. If you rolled it tightly, it's hard to tuck it in, so you just gently allow it to expand, and then this should give you enough room to take this end around and tuck it nice and tight. At the same time, you can even out the inside of the rose, and then the 2 pieces that are left become the outside petals. These come out and fold around the rose. And there we have our Valentine's Day rose folded out of our 17 by 17 NPCLR Simply Poly napkin that you can find on TableLinensforLess.com. Thank you for visiting and have a wonderful day.